Form filling buttons.
From the Tools menu, select Options this view. Now select the Form Filling Buttons option. When this option is checked, a form filling button appears over all text quips. When you click a form filling button, three things happen. Any text already in the target field is cleared, the quip is pasted in, and the cursor is tabbed automatically to the next field. If you use form filling buttons from a small on-top view, you can fill forms with just a single click per field.
Internet bookmark buttons.
If you copy an internet URL like this, go to Options this view on the Tools menu and check the Internet Bookmark Buttons option. A net button will now appear over any quip which contains an internet URL, and clicking on the net button will open your browser with that page displayed.
Email buttons.
If you copy an email address like this, check the Email Buttons option, and an email button will appear over all quips that contain an email address. Click the EML button to start a new email with this address on the to line.
Run and open buttons.
In File Manager, if you copy a file, a folder, or a program, select the Run Open Buttons option, and you can use the Run or Open buttons to open or run the files, folders, or programs you have copied.
Uppercase and lowercase buttons.
If you check the uppercase and lowercase buttons option, UC and LC buttons appear over all text clips. Click on the quip title for the original quip, on the UC button for the quip in uppercase, and on the LC button for the quip in lowercase.
DOS buttons.
If you select the DOS buttons option, you can use the DOS button to paste into old pre-Windows DOS programs.
Unformatted text buttons.
If you select the Unformatted Text button option, a TXT button appears here. Clicking on the quip name pastes the quip with formatting. Clicking on the TXT button pastes it without. There are several options for how the TXT button processes quips. Removing font size and color data is standard, but you can also choose any of these options.
Multiple buttons.
If you create a quip like this, which has a phone number, a web URL and an email address, all three buttons appear. And if you ever find you have so many buttons they are covering up the quip, you can switch between the full-size buttons and single character buttons by right-clicking on them.